guys, it's Nature's Vegan here with you today. And today, I've come out to the awesome wild, the Northwest of America. As you can see, I've come to a natural water source. Natural water sources are the next big thing. I'd like to share with you what happened to me when I didn't drink from a natural water source. I was bedridden, sick, for nearly a week, until I came here and I drank from the sweet manna from heaven itself. Come with me, friend, and I'll show you just how amazing natural water can be.
When you are drinking of Mother Nature's lifeline, ask her in your spirit to welcome you into her. Once she has done that, once you feel you are welcomed, drink, and you will taste the glories of her and her love for all living things. And as I drink, you can see a smile appear on my lips, for I am happy that I am quenched.
The second method I'm going to show you today is the importance of breathing the air. The air is not something to be thought of as something small or something unimportant. The air is the most important thing to human life. And coming out here in the mountains and taking a deep breath, you can really taste Mother Nature's love. And today, I'm going to show you how to harness energy from breathing.
As you can see, I have found a good log nestled above the river, and I am feeling the air around me. And I breathe in through my nose, exhale through my mouth. I stand up, and even if you're in a public place, feel free to lift your arms, and even to yell to the heavens if you feel comfortable doing this. Breathe in, exhale, and know that you are one with nature. Unfortunately, this is all the time we have today, but I enjoyed having you.
Hey guys, it's me, Kyle of We Have the Meat! Hey all you meat lovers out there, welcome to We Have the Meats! Today, I'm not going to do my usual thing of showing you how to shoot squirrels down and showing you how to cook them and eat them and pop the blood veins. No, today we're going to do something different. We're going to go into town and try one of the best meatball subs in the whole world at double, triple, double meat, bacon double. I don't know about you, but I love meatballs, and this place has the best meatballs around. You see, they don't just meatball cows, but they meatball cat meat, dragonfly meat, skunk butt meat. They meat bunny, the Easter bunny. They meated him. I ate him. They turn crows into meatballs, and you see, it's all the circle of life. And that is why today I'm gonna go down there. So let's go right now. Hey guys, it's me, Kyle, and I'm here at Double Bacon, Triple Meat Bacon. And today I have with me the meatball sub. You can see all the blood and guts of an animal in there. Delicious. I'll give this joint about a 8 out of 10 in their craftsmanship and tastiness. Who's that weirdo? flush this down some water. Oh no, it's the lady. Excuse me, ma'am?
I am not a woman. Are you aware of what you're consuming?
Meat, ma'am?
Yes.
A meatball sub?
Do you know how horrible that is for you?
Ma'am, I'm pretty sure it's good for you. It's on the food
Let me
pyramid.
get this on your camera.
No.
Consuming meat is not something that you be joked around with.
Ma'am, please, that is my camera.
This woman was consuming meat.
Ma'am, it's just a meatball parb. Look at this.
I'm afraid I'll have to take your camera from you.
ma'am.
That's disgusting.
Here, right now. You left me with my food over
I
there.
have never seen someone as vile as you.
Ma'am, it is just a meatball parb. This is my television show. I'm on the Food Network.
That meatball was made out of a person.
No, it wasn't. It was made out of a
What?
cow.
Feelings.
No, it didn't have feelings, ma'am. Look, I'll come show you. Come here.
This is outrageous.
See, look.
I'm
all
gonna be
limited.
sick.
All right, I'm just gonna cut that part out. I don't know what that was about, but I'm so happy to be eating food.
Alright, hey guys, it's me, Kyle, and right now I am currently driving back from that meatball sub place. I give that place a 10 out of 10 rating now, even though there was that crazy lady. It was delicious, definitely juicy, you could taste the blood and guts.
Look at you.
And it was just
delicious.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Are you the lady from the store? Ma'am, I'm gonna have to... How did you get into my van, ma'am?
Mother Nature opens every door.
Ma'am, I'm gonna pull over and then I'm gonna let you
Do
out,
not
okay?
pull
Because-
this
no,
car
ma'am,
over.
Ma'am,
Mother
please,
Nature,
ma'am,
We apologize for interrupting this public broadcasting to bring you sorrowful news. The death of loved and beloved food chef, Kyle Lagan. He died in a mysterious car crash, and we are terribly, terribly sorry to say that his show, Meats, Meats, and More Meats, will be now taken over by the famed and critiqued vegan host of the show, Nature's Vegan, who will now have 2 food hours instead of 1. We bring you now some live footage from Kyle's sad, sad funeral. Jen? Yes, Kyle, this is a sad, sad day indeed, not just for family and friends of the famed food show host, but fans all over the country who devotedly watched his show. All will regret the unfortunate car crash incident of this amazing, loved food show host. And I think we're all grateful for the host of Nature's Vegan for taking over. Jen, I can only imagine the mourning that is going on behalf of the lost food show host. But thankfully, we turn now over to the not one owner of 2 hours, but 2 hours of the vegan show owned by Miss Ten Venance, and she'll be taking over graciously the hour that was previously claimed by Meats, and More Meats. We'll be going to her now.
Thanks, Kyle, for that beautiful intro. I, too, am so sad at our dear friend Kyle's death. Kyle was a ray of sunshine, and even I visited him every so often. But we must keep in mind, Mother Nature knows that all lives matter.